Hello and welcome everyone to a new class of English. Today we are going to start with unit number 5, which is after school. So let's do this. Here we are going to start on page number 42. So open your class book. This is your class book, remember, on page number 42 and 43. Here we have the vocabulary for this unit. So as you can see, what do we have here? Very good. Some of them are transport that we can use to get to school. For example, we have a van, a bus, a taxi, a helicopter, a motorbike, a train, a lorry, a boat. So we are going to do the first activity, which is listen, repeat and say the number for each of them. So let's do this. 1, 2 and 3.
Listening 22. Listen, repeat and say the number.
A lorry. A taxi.
Number 5.
A motorbike.
A motorbike. Number 4.
A helicopter.
Helicopter is the number 3.
A bus.
A bus. Number 2.
A van.
A van. A van is the number 1.
A boat.
A boat. Number 7.
A train.
A train. Hey, this is difficult. Number 6. Excellent. So we have this. Each of them have a number. Very good. So let's listen this and say what is missing. So let's do this.
Listening 23. Listen. What's missing? 1,
A train, a van, a motorbike, a bus, a taxi, a helicopter, a boat. What's missing?
A lorry,
2,
a train, a bus, a motorbike, a van, a helicopter, a boat, a lorry. What's missing?
A taxi,
3,
a van, a motorbike, a bus, a taxi, a helicopter, a boat, a lorry. What's missing?
a train,
Good. Now we are going to do the following activity, which is look and find the things on Felix's list. Here we have 3 things. For example, we have a scooter, we have a car and a bike. These 3 objects are hidden right there. So let's look. Where is the car? Where is the bike? And where is the scooter? After doing that, we are going to find and work the number 4, activity number 4, which is quite simple. I'm going to say one of this, and you have to say the number. So you need to memorize each number of this. For example, 3 is a helicopter, 2 it's a bus. So if I say I go by a boat, which number is that? I go by a boat. Is the number 7? That's correct. Very good. So we are going to do the same during the class. We're going to memorize the numbers with the names of the transport or objects, and then we're going to guess. After doing that, on lesson number 2, we have the following activity. We have to listen, read. Wait a second. listen and read. Find the words for pictures 9 and 10. Here we have number 9 and number 10. And here we have the text. On Monday, I go by underground. On Tuesday, I go by train. On Wednesday, I go by car. I never go by plane. On Thursday, I go by bike. On Friday, I walk to school. On Saturday, and Sunday, I don't go at all. So we have number 9, which is the... Very good, it's the plane. This is the plane. And number 10 is the underground. Very good. We call this here in Chile like metro. This is the underground. So, after doing that, we are going to listen, point and repeat. Number 9, plane. Number 10, underground. Plane and underground. So we are ready to do the chant. We are going to listen and do the chant. So let's do it.
Listening 25. Listen and say the transport chant.
On Monday, I go by underground. On Tuesday, I go by train. On Wednesday, I go by car. I never go by plane. On Thursday, I go by bike. On Friday, I walk to school. On Saturday and Sunday, I don't go at all.
Good. So that was the chant. We have underground and plane, but also we have all the words that we learn, like for example, train, car, bike, and so on. So now we are going to focus on activity number 3, which is listen, point, and repeat. So let's look this. Pay attention to this. We are going to listen, point, and repeat right now. Let's do it.
Listening 27. Listen, point, and repeat.
In the attic, let's take a look. Up in the attic, let's choose a book.
Story 5. Off to school. A.
Mona,
B.
Sophie,
Sophie,
C.
Tom,
D.
Molly,
very good. So these are the characters' name for the story. Excellent. Now we are going to watch the story. What we have as assignment for this is list 3 types of transportations or transport. Sorry. So here we have the transport that we learn. For example, bus, van, taxi, motorbike, boat, lorry, train, helicopter, bike, scooter, and a lot of more. So now we are going to focus on the story. So let's watch this story.
When Sophie goes to school by bus, the bus breaks down.
Oh no! I've got maths at 9 o'clock.
And Sophie's late for maths.
You're late, Sophie. Sit down.
How do you go to school, Mona?
By car.
When Sophie goes to school by car, the car breaks down.
Oh no! I've English at 9 o'clock.
And Sophie's late for English.
You're late, Sophie. Sit down.
How do you go to school, Tom?
By motorbike.
When Sophie goes to school by motorbike, the motorbike breaks down.
Oh no! I've got history at 9 o'clock.
And Sophie's late for history.
You're late, Sophie. Sit down.
How do you go to school, Molly?
I walk.
And when Sophie walks to school, she's early.
Good morning, miss. Look, I'm early.
Good morning, Sophie. Yes, you're early. But there's no school today. It's Saturday.
Oh no!
Wow. Oh no, Sophie. It was Saturday. So now we are going to focus on the activity book. Now you are going to work in them. We are going to work on pages. Let's see. It's charting again. It's loading again, sorry. And again and again and again. Don't worry, it's okay, it's the system. Sometimes this happens. But we are going to work on page number 40 and 41. So let's focus on these activities. Remember, we are going to do this during the class. So the first activity is looking right. Here we have the transport and we have to name them. We have to label looking right. Look at the names and put it right there. Then find the people in activity number 1. Look at these people. They are hidden. They are hidden right here. Where they can be. Let's look. Look. They're right there. We need to look them and write the words. For example, I go by train. Is that correct? Very good. She's there. Then on activity number 1 from the lesson number 2, we are going to set the story in order. To then complete this by using the code. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. We have to look at the numbers and complete with the letters to finally match them with the image. These activities are going to take place during the class, so don't worry about that. We are going to do it one by one with you. So this is the number 5. This is the unit number 5, which is called After School. See you in class. Take care. Bye bye. See you next week.